Hey guys, 6 a.m. barbecue, another video. Today we're gonna do flunk steak. We're gonna stuff it with some mozzarella cheese. We're gonna make it something beautiful here, taste-wise, not just a boring piece of meat that we're gonna throw on the grill. So we have around 3 pounds of flunk steak, Wagyu flunk steak, which is already marbled with the intermuscular fat. What we're gonna do with this piece is we're gonna create a pocket in it, and I'm gonna put some beautiful stuff in there and throw it on the grill. So it is very important that we use a very sharp knife so it won't tear the meat but cut through it. Feel like a surgeon here. So as you can see, we made a pocket, and now we're gonna do the stuffing. So what we got here is we got 150 grams of mozzarella cheese, and we got 2 cloves of garlic minced. So first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the garlic in, spread it evenly. We'll put the cheese in. Oh, it's gonna be great and juicy. Pay attention, we're not seasoning the steak. This steak, we're gonna get some salt and pepper after it comes off the grill. At this point in time, the only thing that we can do for it to make it feel better, we can put a little bit of olive oil on it to help it to build up the crust when it goes on the grill. So we put a little bit of olive oil, we rub it in both sides. Remember, we need to be careful and remember where the pocket is so the cheese won't fall down. So I'm gonna gently flip it on my board like that. Like that. And give it a little bit from this side. No salt, no garlic, no pepper, no nothing. When it will come off the grill, we'll do the seasoning. So I catch you back later, guys, next to the grill. So if you guys hear the sizzling in the background, we got some potatoes going on here. That'll be gonna be a beautiful side dish for the flunk steak. Right, so for the flunk steak, we're gonna be using Napoleon Rogue XT 435. This baby can go up to 700 Fahrenheit. So we got them preheated to 500 Fahrenheit, which is 260 centigrade. And the grill grates are, we got some eggplants going on. So the grill grates are cast iron, so they accumulate a lot of heat. For that reason, the flunk steak is gonna be cooking really, really fast. So we'll put him on the grill. Watch out for the pocket. Take a listen to this. Yes. We're gonna work on the steak to build up the crust. We'll flip it really, really gently to the other side. Remember? Oh yeah, look at that. We'll be flipping this guy for a couple of times to build up the crust. Make sure it wouldn't stick. Okay, so it's time to flip it once again. Careful on that pocket, remember. Okay guys, I'm gonna flip this big guy once again. Okay. Crust is building up nicely. All right, let's flip it once again. You see the cheese start melting already? The steak, look at it. So soft. Look at this. Look. So juicy. It's gonna be one more flip, I think, and that's it. It's ready. Okay guys, look at that. We built the crust. The steak is nice and soft and juicy from inside. The cheese already melted. This is going to be our final spin. Look at that. Look at that. It looks fantastic. Let me show you the cheese side. Look. Look at that. Isn't that something? Now, we're gonna take it off the grill. Let it rest for 2 minutes and slice it up. Alright, this is our flank steak. Look at the cheese melted, everything is ready. Let's cut it. This. Start with the middle. Look at this. Nice and juicy from the inside. So we're gonna take a couple of slices of that. Let's plate this. We're gonna put them on a plate. Like this. That's one. That's two. Look at the cheese. Look at the cheese. And we're gonna take some of our chimichurri sauce. Put a little bit on the side, like this. And just a little bit on the middle. There's one more thing that we forgot. If you remember, I told you that we're gonna season this after it comes off the grill. So we just put in a little bit of salt, and our steak is ready. Bon appetit!